Let's walk through the key steps to a successful deep pour epoxy project. If using a DIY homemade mold, prepare for flat wooden boards, hot melt glue, right angle brackets, short screws, and tape. Tightly wrap the boards with tape and secure the side boards with right angle brackets to prevent deformation. Apply hot glue to the joints between the side boards and the base to prevent leakage. If using a ready-made mold, you can skip this step. Simply ensure the mold is clean, placed level, and ready before pouring. Choose dry and flat wood, then remove any dirt. Cut your lathe edge slab of wood to your desired length. Fill any splits, cracks, or knot holes. Secure the wood firmly in place to prevent movement or floating during the pour. Work near an open window or use an air purifier to ensure proper ventilation. Mix by 2 to 1 volume. Working time is approximately 80 minutes, giving you enough time to mix, color, and pour. Stir slowly in the same direction for 3 to 5 minutes, until the mixture becomes clear with no visible streaks. Add mica powder as desired. Make sure all fillers are completely dry to prevent the resin flash curing. If you find any bubbles, use a heat gun to help remove them. Keep the ambient temperature around 68 Fahrenheit and avoid going above 77 Fahrenheit. Too hot may cause cracking. Too cold may lead to slow curing or incomplete curing. Keep the humidity below 50 to 60% RH. High humidity can prevent the resin from curing properly. Recommended pouring height is 2 inches per layer. For extra thick projects, always pour in multiple layers. Maintain the room temperature below 77 Fahrenheit and allow 48 to 72 hours for complete curing. Smaller pieces cure more slowly, while larger pours may cure faster. Use soapy water or alcohol to help release the mold. Sand and polish. Then finish with a final coat of epoxy resin or polyurethane sealer. Clean uncured resin on the tools with alcohol or nail polish remover. Follow these steps for safe and successful deep pour epoxy projects.